Brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala. A new video concerning the science of Tajweed and the Quran and the Na'lm, the Maqamat. And inshallah, we will focus on title called The Art of Recitation the Quran. How to recite the Quran with melody. How can you recite the Quran with verses, with the tunes, with the beautiful, with the sayings? When you recite the Quran, you need to beautify your voice with the reciting of the Quran according to the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inshallah, this video I will tell you some important rules. You should keep it in your mind to achieve it, inshallah, and you will find the exact result, inshallah. We have two types of students, those who need to beautify their voices. The type number one need to online courses and the teacher to observation and daily exercise, okay? And another types need to learn and take the information and the maqamat from the internet. I prefer the first one, because if you have a choice and a coach, he can learn you exactly academic learning. And if you let yourself to the internet and versus video, the video speak about the Nahaw and another one speak about the Sabah, but the content of the video not contains Nahaw and not contains Sabah. But okay, if you don't have to have a coach and a teacher, I will tell you the steps, inshallah, and you will find the lesson. But you will take more time and be patient, brother. Be patient, brother. If you need to beautify yourself with verses, number one, you should exercise your vocal cords. It's very important. I will give you some important exercise to practice it all the day of the night. Okay? Exercise number one, sitting straight and keep your hand in your chest and speak. You can find that your chest is vibrated. Okay, brother? Please try this. Okay? After you doing it, please recite the Fatiha on this layer, which you call the Quran. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Malik Yawmiddin, Iyaka na'budu wa Iyaka nasta'in. The performance of this and the aims and the goal of this exercise to widen your voice, to expand your vocal cords, speak low layer and wide letter and the highest one. This is the exercise for wide layer. So what about the highest one? And recite from this year layer the Fatiha. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman, the highest layer. If you feel tired, please stop and choose lower now, layer one and lower one. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Don't try to highest your layer. Take it step by step. This we have the two exercises. Exercise number one, try to imitate me when I produce this tone. Try. I will repeat the exercise. Okay. This is exercise number 3. The points number 4, to listening to more reciters that use the melody and the maqamat in Quran, not just one melody, because the Quran have verses of moods, verses of situation, sadness situation, happiness situation, warning situation, and mini story. Can I take all of this in one maqam? It's not acceptable. So you can recite to the Qur'an or use the maqamat such like Sheikh الشحات Muhammad Alo, Sheikh Abdul Fattah al-Tarudi, Sheikh Muhammad al-Lithi, Sheikh Mustafa Ismail. This is the focus number 3, to fill off your mind and listening with the Qur'an. Number 5, try to imitate one of them, because you, after hearing to verses of Qur'an, you choose one that you feel comfortable for your hearing, him, and use and your level is acceptable with his layer, such like Sheikh Shahat. Try to imitate him in the Surah Al-Shams. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والشمس وضحاها. مقام النهاون. Try to imitate him. والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها. Take verses, take short word of verses or discrete the verse. والشمس وضحاها. I take this and repeat. Listening and repeat and imitate. Listening and repeat and then imitate. This is the 5 one. 5 steps. If you are doing this for at least 2 weeks, inshallah, your voice will be widened, be wide. And with listening, you will try to imitate the Quran. And if this, inshallah, we will conclude with some verses of the Quran by using some maqamat as example, practical example of our video. Now, inshallah, we will starting 2 minutes to recite Quran. I'm using the qarar or the wide one in the تلاوة. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم with مقام الصبا, with مقام البياتي. This is called Liban al-Dakar, but I can't know his name in the Arabic because this remove every obstacle, every virus, every something catch on your vocal cords. This مشروب, هذا المشروب, I don't know what his name in English. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. widely أربيات. وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه. قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم. I'm using what? قرار and مقام بياتي. قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة. Transfer to the مقام رست. وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه. قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه. ده هوند قم قل. قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم قل يحيي الذي أنشأها أول مرة. مقام النهاوند. وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه. مقام قلت السيكة. قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه. مقام قلد مقام الصبا. قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة. Inshallah, it's the end of our video. We will continue in another video, inshallah. Please, brother, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you need any question. May Allah blessing you, brother and sister in Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Samir. If you need online courses, please see the details below this video.